Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a PC or a laptop. Just before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. So, open your browser and search for ApowerMirror. This website. Install it. Click yes. Install now. Installation done. So, open now, click on wireless connection and scan your QR code with your phone. Go to the App Store and download a ApowerMirror app. After the installation is done, open the app. Then go to the home bar on top and look for screen mirroring icon. There you will find your PC. Click on it and that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.